In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Leonardo AI account. Whether you're new to Leonardo AI or just need a refresher on how to get started, don't worry, I've got you covered. In just a few easy steps, you'll be ready to dive back into all the great features Leonardo AI has to offer. So let's get started. First, let's head over to your internet browser. Whichever one you prefer will work just fine, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another browser of your choice. In the address bar, type in leonardo.ai to visit the Leonardo AI website. It's a good idea to bookmark this page for quick access in the future if it's a tool you plan to use often. Once the Leonardo AI homepage loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a login button, which is our next step. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to accessing your account and all the personalized features you've set up. After hitting login, you'll need to decide how you want to sign in. Leonardo AI offers multiple options, including using your email address with a password or opting for single sign-on services like Google or Facebook for convenience. Choose the method you used when you first signed up. If you go with an email address and password, be sure to double-check that you've entered them correctly to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your password, most services provide a way to reset it, typically via email. Once you've selected your login method and entered any necessary credentials, you should be taken right into your Leonardo AI dashboard. This is where the magic happens. You can now begin generating, exploring, or whatever it is you came to do on Leonardo AI. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you haven't visited it in a while, as there might be new features or updates that could enhance your experience. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into your Leonardo AI account. The process is straightforward, but I hope this guide has made it even easier for you. Remember, keeping your login information secure is crucial, so be sure to use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication if it's available. That's it for today's tutorial. Now that you're logged in, go ahead and explore all that Leonardo AI has to offer. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy generating.